everybody, my name is Courtney and you are watching Vegan Food Court. Today we are doing Cooking While Quarantine Part 2. I am going to be making a vegan barbecue chopped salad. It is such a simple recipe. It's a great recipe when you're not in the mood to be cooking, especially after all the exhausting TikToking and Instagramming and Netflixing. I get it, I'm exhausted. It's raining. No one wants to cook right now, so it's the perfect recipe. So please stay tuned, we're gonna get started chopping. I have 2 heads of romaine lettuce here and I just washed it off in a strainer, and now I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping. Next, we are going to chop up some iceberg lettuce. So I just went ahead and set the lettuce aside. I'm going to actually preheat my oven to 350 and cut up some corn tortillas for just little strips of corn tortillas in the salad. I'm gonna leave all of the stuff that I end up chopping on the side because I don't like adding it to the salad because it might get maybe wilted or soggy. So I keep all of the stuff I end up chopping, which is gonna be a lot of chopping, but I keep it all on the side. I have 4 corn tortillas right here. I'm just gonna cut those. So we're gonna go ahead and spread those out, put a little olive oil on them, along with some salt and pepper and a little bit of garlic powder. You're gonna go ahead and chop some green onions up. And don't forget, do not throw away the extras. Put it in a plastic baggie to save for a vegetable broth later. Now we're going to cut up some red cabbage. Go ahead and chop up a whole cucumber. Some pre-grated carrots. All right, turns out I don't have any barbecue sauce and I'm trying really hard to not go to the store unless it's a must. So I went ahead and looked in my fridge and I found liquid smoke, which I love to use. It's a great vegan product if you guys are interested. I also have some paprika just to give it that red look, that little smokiness in there. We're gonna go ahead and put 1 can of chickpeas in a saucepan, and we're gonna go ahead and saute those until they are warm. Next step, we'll be making our ranch dressing from scratch. So I have just one huge piece of garlic we're gonna go ahead and throw in there. You want about a 1.5 cups of mayonnaise. Next we have some tahini. It gives it a really nutty flavor. It's so good. So much protein is in tahini. Next we're going to throw some chives in there, some parsley, onion powder, We're gonna put some nutritional yeast in it also. And a small amount of apple cider vinegar. We're gonna go ahead and blend this up. One thing I realized that I forgot was salt. How could I? All right, our chickpeas are actually all finished up, so I'm just gonna pour them on top. They're nice and hot right now. Okay, so I have my bowl of salad. I'm gonna go ahead and try it. That salad dressing I made makes the whole salad, of course. The garlic is very intense in it, so if you don't like garlic, lay back on that a little bit. I love that the chickpeas are warm in the salad. I definitely recommend heating the chickpeas up right before you end up eating it. The tortilla strips are delicious. Everything is so yummy in this salad. Usually I would have barbecue sauce and I would put it over the top, so it would really be like a good old barbecue chopped salad. But for now, the salad is amazing. I hope you all stay safe during this crazy time that we're going through, and I hope these recipes can help you while you're in quarantine. Thanks for watching.